Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Rater. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Singapore, and it's really big. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Whoa! Alright, so Nissin Singapore is celebrating the 25th anniversary of Cup Noodles in Singapore, and they were going to send me this huge promo thing. They sent me a video of it. Here it is. It was like a big Ferris wheel with all the different cup noodles that they produce over there. But unfortunately, it was so big, it would have cost them like $1,000 to ship it over. So I can understand that. That's a lot of money to spend on sending me something. But they sent all of their cup noodles varieties that they produce. So let's check them out. First off, we have their Cup Noodles Seafood. Cup Noodles Korean Army Stew. I'm not sure if I've actually had this one or not. Cool. Cup Noodles Laksa. Cup Noodles Chicken. Cup Noodles Mushroom Chicken. One of my favorites, Cup Noodles Chili Crab. Another favorite of mine. This is their Tom Yum Seafood. Cup Noodles Black Pepper Crab. Cup Noodles Kyushu White. And the newest, the Cup Noodles Fish Head Curry, which they've reformulated special for the 25th anniversary. Wow, look at that. A veritable mountain of cup noodles in celebration of their 25th anniversary in Singapore. Happy birthday to Nissin Singapore's Cup Noodles. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoy your noodles each and every day. Give some of these a try if you can get them. Have a good one. Bye.